Hello everyone, this is day 5 of my English speaking practice with strangers. If you are looking for a way to find a new people from different countries to practice English with, I recommend Episoden.com. You can also use this website to improve your communication skills and build your confidence. And the best part is that it's 100% free. And don't worry about making mistakes when you're talking to new people. Everyone is there to learn and practice. So before you can join conversation on episode, you will need to complete short interview. They ask simple questions just for check whether you can understand English or speak a little. And it doesn't matter if you are make mistakes. They only want to see that you can communicate. So let's get started with my day 5 conversation.
Baik-baik juga.
Oke, pustaka, pustaka.
Oh, mabuti naman. Yeah. So how about you? What did you eat for your dinner?
Not really good. Yeah, I had some fried chicken, but it's not really good. So yeah,
Why is it not good?
I don't know. Like,
Maybe you don't.
Yeah, hi.
hello, hi, Anu.
Hi, namaste. Yeah, hello.
Yeah,
Am I audible?
hello, Anu.
Yes, yes, yes. So how are you?
I'm fine. I'm great today, but in Indonesia already evening, right?
Yeah, it's evening. Okay, this time also they are evening.
Yeah, now it's already 8 o'clock, evening time.
Okay, that time is 8 o'clock right now.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Here is 6:30 p.m.
Yeah.
6:30 p.m. in
Yeah,
India.
now 6. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Maybe we are the different time, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Which part India do you live?
In Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
Appreciate that I'm happy to meet the Indian people for sharing communicate
Thank
tonight.
you. Yeah. So, yeah, hi.
Okay, meet you
Yes.
again.
Yeah, yeah,
Aduh,
yeah.
we get a long time for communication.
Yes. But it's only 7 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay, so now tell me. Continue.
yeah, yeah.
Continue. What did you say?
Oh, continue.
Yeah.
It's okay. Just we can talk anything because sometimes we got to follow the topic. I don't know how to answer like that.
Okay, what topic is? What motivated you to work harder to earn more?
Yeah.
So tell me now, what motivate what?
Maybe same as usual. Many of mostly people in the world. That's what I motivated to working harder to get something. Absolutely is family, right?
Yes, of course.
Because I have family, I have wife, I have child, and then I want to develop that same as like I'm following the episode and to develop my English skill,
Yes,
how to can get rich, good the opportunity job like that,
yes, right, definitely.
or meet new peoples. How about you, Anu?
Yeah, actually, I want to financially independent. I want to financially become independent. So,
Mm,
yeah, for family, right?
yeah,
Yeah, and sometimes I want to that for a better lifestyle. So I have to work harder and I want to improve my communication skills. I work on
Yeah.
it. So that's why I also joined Episoden.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah, and
yeah.
it's really motivate me when
Yeah, I understood that.
yeah.
But mostly people that join this episode and maybe he have some different goals or anything. Sometimes motivate how to we learn a new, especially for English, right?
Yes, right. Yes,
I'm sorry that my English I think is not grammarly or as usual like native speaker, but I'm just confident to speak like this.
same
But
here, brother. Same here. Because that's why we are here on episode, na? Because here we can practice and learn from other new people and different countries,
yeah.
right? So when we are speak a lot, so then we can speak in English.
Mm,
Yes.
okay. Of course. Let me know. How do you do for living now?
Where? Sorry.
How do you do for living? You are a worker or still in the university or
Yeah, no,
as
actually, I am doing job and simultaneously running my YouTube channel.
mm,
And yeah, you heard that? You
yeah,
watch
nice. I
YouTube?
hear that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it.
Eh,
That you have the capital for government job like that.
no. I'm in IT sector. I'm working in
Oh,
yeah.
okay, okay, in the IT sector.
Yes.
So many
As a
people of India is very smart in the IT,
government.
right?
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
many of Indian people is I think many of people from India is have strong skill in the IT, different than Indonesia. I think we still
Yes.
develop to understand IT,
Yes.
how to we are learn the new things
Yes.
with the
Yes.
computer or something like that.
Yes.
But
It's related to
I'm
website
happy.
developing,
Yeah,
right?
and I'm is a marine engineer. I meet some
Mm-hmm.
crewing agency also from the India.
Okay, which name?
I don't know. This one is some riot ship management, but I'm still not get the opportunity for the interview. But sometimes people give me
Mm-hmm.
change to applying my CV for they know that's my competency to and also my experience, especially for in the marine engineer like that.
Oh, oh, okay.
So I'm
Nice.
happy to meet you, Anu, because I want to learn how to the Indian people a pronunciation or something like that because I'm still learning, right?
Yeah,
So
I'm
I
also
enjoy to speak
learning,
with
so
the
don't
Indian.
hesitate. No. I'm also
Yeah.
learning and I want to communicate. I want to, what to say. That I want to say that better speaker, become better speaker,
Mm.
because it's
Yeah,
very
I know.
compulsory, na, that you have to learn, you have to speak English. It is very compulsory in IT sector where I'm
Yeah,
doing
yeah.
job.
Oh, yes, I know.
Yeah, so
What
there.
kind of job that you doing job is just like online job or can you do your job by at home or something like that by
It's
remote, right?
yeah, it's on basic computer online. Sometimes I went office also, and but sometimes I'm working from office. Sometimes I'm working from home, and it is I am actually as a web developer in IT sector.
Mm.
So basically, my work is that almost create a website, develop behind the website work.
Mm.
You
Yes, I know,
have
like the backdoor of website, like that, like from the backdoor, right?
yeah.
That
Have
behind
you
how to.
Have you ever heard it?
operate to manage the website. I
Websites,
think like
yeah.
that.
And I
Yeah.
also create it.
Oh, you also
Yes,
created the website. I
yes,
think it's
yes,
good.
yes. Have you ever heard that?
Yet I'm familiar about this, but I don't know. I'm not deeply
Okay.
understood that about
Webs.
how